Hi everybody, Marshie here, and welcome to the channel. I bring you tips, tricks, and hacks in your business and personal life. And today we're talking about Sellr and how to use the digital vault for your downloadables. Okay, now 13 interactive challenges to self-discovery. Yours truly is the author, and grandparent memories from the heart. I wrote both of these. You can find the links below. Now, if I bring you any value at all today or entertainment, please like and share because this helps me bring you more content. All right, so here we go. I've been working on this week and I made some downloadables and I was like, how do I do it? I don't know how to do it. So I'm going to share this information with you. So first things first, let's get into our Sellr account. Now I do have a business account, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to items for sale. Items for sale, then we click on view items. In the view items, there is a menu bar up here, and I've been covering these slowly but surely so you can see what these do and how they can help your business. So today we're using the digital vault. The digital vault is important that you understand a few things about it. First of all, scroll down and you will see I have some things in the digital vault already. And I'm going to show you how to actually put something in the digital vault and attach it to the item. Now, I will be moving my face around, so you never know where I'm going to end up being. Okay? So first things first, let's talk about this paragraph up here that you're glassy-eyed already and going, I don't want to read that. But I'm going to summarize it for you so you know what's in this paragraph. First thing you need to know out of the chute is the hyperlink is only good for 48 hours from the time of purchase. Okay? You will have to communicate this to your client. Okay? That it's only good for 48 hours. They need to download it immediately. The next thing that you need to be aware of is that there is a cap on how much size the downloadables can be. So there is a cap of how much you can put in. And then there is a quota for the month, meaning this is all that's available to you for the month. Now, so the digital vault currently has 1 gigabyte of space. All right. Now, why are they only allowing us 48 hours for that link? It is because search engines from spidering your downloads, it means the links where the downloads are obtained from only works for a limited period because you're trying to prevent it from being passed around and you losing revenue or it being stolen. Okay? Now, what they've done is they said, hey, if you make a zipped up file, then it'll automatically be sent with the confirmation email. So the customer, um, they don't have to download it. It's going to be on there and it'll go. Now, I would still communicate that they need to push the here button so that download will take place. I did notice in my test that it worked sometimes and sometimes not, but understand it's only good for 48 hours from the time of purchase. All right, so then you scroll down the screen and you see my links, and then you see here, let me move myself, okay? Over here, you see where we're gonna choose a file and upload. Now, what you don't see is this right here. And the only way I can get where you can see it is to make it really tiny. tiny, tiny. Right here, you see, okay, it's going to be add to the vault. All right. It's important that you push that button, add to the vault. But my program is not allowing me to scroll any further than this right here. Okay, so we're going to choose a file. Well, first we're going to name it, and we're going to name it like test. And then we're going to choose a file, and I'm going to choose this cooling log, and I'm going to say open. And now you're going to see that it's right here. It's there now. Okay. And then you add to the vault. You push that orange button that says add to the vault. And then what you do is you go to manage items. Then you're going to come down here and you are going to go to where your item is listed. This was the cooling temps that I showed you. So I click on that item. I scroll down until I find downloadable, download, and then here it is. Here's all those things that are in the digital vault. I'm going to leave it at the cooling log because that's what I need. All right. And then I'm going to say save. Then I'm going to also say save here. Save those changes. Okay. Now, the other thing that you need to be aware of is that you have to give Sellr some time to actually process. I'm here in the United States, so it takes a little bit longer for the processing to take place. Now, we see, because I tested it, I recommend that you test. What do I mean by that? Purchase your own product, change the price to $1. Hey, you have to test your product, right? So how do you do that? You set it at $1 and you purchase it. And so what we see here is the email that it went to, right? And you click to download, boom. And then it comes up and it says, please click here and save to download. So what happens is you click here and then you'll see that it is boom, it is downloaded. But if they do not click that here button, then it's not going to be there for the customer. And understand there's only 48 hours. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.